Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Autocad course. This is our 10th lecture of the course and this is 10th lecture part 1. In this lecture we will discuss a very important command, hyperlink. That's very important command. Actually, what is hyperlink? First I will explain you. Hyperlink is a kind of link. We connect the link to the object for its description. We cannot add all the description on the window of the AutoCAD to the object like a door. We cannot give each description of the door, its material, its dimension, its size, its so many other like their detail. So if we want to just add the hyperlink to this object, then we will just link the add the link to the object, and other people will just click on this link to get the all the details. That's the purpose of the hyperlink. Now I will show you the hyperlink command. Go to insert. I already did the hyperlink on this subject, but now I will do on this. Here you will see. Go to insert, then click on hyperlink. Okay, first I am showing you this is the object which is not having any hyperlink. You will not see any error when I click I move this cursor on it. This is just highlighted, but you will not see any arrow. When this is the object which already I linked the hyperlink, you will see the arrow. So here now I will link the hyperlink. Go to insert, click on hyperlink, or here is short key Control plus K. This is the one option. Other option is just type hyperlink. Just type the hyperlink HY. You will see this hyperlink. Click on it, and the last option Control plus C. Control plus K. Can press Control, then press K. Now you will see hyperlink. Just select the object on which you want to give the hyperlink. Select the object, then press enter. Now you will see the insert hyperlink window. Here you have browse options. File which is in your system. You can connect that file from your system to the object as a hyperlink. Or you have another option. You can connect any website link or any tutorial link, video link of the YouTube or any other social website link here. Just click if you want to add the file from your system, then click here. I now want to add the file as a hyperlink, this CAD blocks. Open it. Now you will see the CAD blocks of trees is connected to this object as a hyperlink. When I will press OK. Here I have another option. I can click on web page. I can paste the address of web page or the link of any video to hyperlink that on this object. I will select OK. Now when I will move the cursor on it, you will see the arrow sign. This is showing that this object having a hyperlink. To open that hyperlink, just click right on the object. First select the object, then click right. Go to this down hyperlink. You will see this is the hyperlink which we connected to this object. Now anyone can open this hyperlink who have the access to your drawing. If you share your drawing with anyone, he can get the description of the object by this hyperlink. Now I will open it. You will see hyperlink will be open. This was the hyperlink we connected of the CAD blocks of trees. So thanks for watching this lecture of 10 part 1. Stay tuned for next part of this lecture.